Oh my god. Wait a minute. My jaw's in a spasm. As I thought, just before bed, I would start sneezing again. And I'd nearly finished putting everything away. I was just about to turn the lights off to go to bed. Started sneezing. So I quickly grabbed my phone. Yeah, I think I missed about 20 seconds or something. Oh my god. I think I'm going to wake the neighbours now. Sneezing so hard. Yeah, it's something I have to live with every day. But at least people are enjoying my videos. Maybe in a few years, I will look back on these videos and laugh myself. Oh, I'm gonna sneeze. Am I gonna sneeze? I think it's finished. So I need to go back outside, turn the terrace heater off, and turn everything down, pick all the cables out of the plugs or whatever you call them. Shut the back door, lock the back door, and then go to bed. And I'll probably sneeze while I'm going to bed as well. Anyway, folks, keep you updated. Love you all.